Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're beginning now. Power on the smart TV and go straight to network settings to start wireless setup. Make sure you have the Wi-Fi name and password ready because most TVs won't show passwords. Place the TV where the router signal is strong. Weak signal causes drops. Once in wireless setup, scan for your SSID and select it. If your SSID doesn't appear, move the router closer or disable guest isolation on the router before continuing. These steps reduce connection friction and save time. Next, choose your network and enter the password carefully. You're authenticating the TV to the router. Use the on-screen keyboard or a companion phone app if available to speed typing. Make sure the router's security uses WPA2 or WPA3. This protects your devices and avoids handshake failures. Unless you need a specific IP, leave the TV on DHCP so the router assigns addresses automatically. Once the TV accepts the password, watch for confirmation messages and any prompts to update firmware before continuing to the final steps. Finish by verifying connectivity. Open a streaming app or run the TV's network test to confirm internet access. If the TV stalls or shows authentication errors, restart both the TV and router and wait 30 seconds during power cycling. This clears transient issues. Make sure MAC filtering on the router isn't blocking the TV and that both devices have current firmware. Outdated firmware can prevent secure handshakes. If problems persist, move the router closer or use a wired Ethernet connection to isolate wireless issues. Then retry the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.